as time went on, people started learning more and more about the sprinters, and they became, a lot more popular. So now you got a lot more choices, but we've definitely been ahead of most of those people and been on the forefront of building products. My name is John Brindell. I'm one of the owners here at Agile Offroad. I'm the CEO. My partners and I, we all came from the off-road community. We all raced off-road down in Baja. And so we were into tuning shocks, so we knew that we could tune the vans, make them handle and ride better. So for the four-wheel drive vans, our primary focus is we do the ride improvement package, or the RIP. That consists of custom tuned shocks and suspension components. We just kept tuning and making better products, and as the market changed, we got busier and busier, and it's kind of a need, that people come here, and after they've met somebody that has one of our kits on, they're like, oh yeah, this has just made a huge improvement in the way that my van rides. I met Eric and Paul at, was it Overland West? These guys came up and they were like, hey, we tried this out, or we saw a van that you had, and we want to talk to you about it. And then they showed me a picture of this. It was great. It was like this. It was like me. I could see myself in them. They're like, check this out. And they would show me a picture of their garage. They had these vans and they were like stacked in there, and they're like, we're converting vans. I'm like, oh, this is cool. And these guys really had this enthusiasm about them. It was infectious. They started buying some components from us, and they saw exactly what we were doing. They were like, okay, this makes our customers happy about what they're buying. Making them ride better, making them handle better. We had these kind of packages dialed in. They weren't just like throwing darts anymore. They pretty much had learned what they needed to do. We're working, now that we've gotten more into this programming of control modules, transmission control modules and other things, we're learning more, and this is kind of pushing us. So the customers have pushed us along. They've asked us things as, simple things like, how can I get more fuel out of this rig? And they pushed us into building an auxiliary fuel system that we did. Now we're getting pushed into, I want to run bigger tires. And it's cool to see a van with bigger tires. You look at it and it really looks cool. But most of the vans that are out there that look really cool oftentimes don't work really cool. So we're actually making it to where it works. We've done some drivetrain stuff. We've done our brakes, our big brake kit. We've released our ARB locker, which is a locking differential. We're the exclusive US distributor for both the air locker from ARB. It's really cool, and we're developing a lot of cool stuff. Touaregs and enthusiasts, they're out there, they're using their vans, and they're actually coming to us with like, hey, this is what's happening, how can we get this and make this better? And we listen to them, sometimes you'll have a one-off request that just is pretty crazy, but when you have somebody like Touareg that comes to you with, hey, we're running into this situation, we see that repetitive situation, they see it, they push us in the right direction. It's great having a dealer like them to where we can also, we know that we can send somebody there and have the van looked at if they're having an issue, and vice versa. We're in Southern California, they're in Colorado, we're light years away, and it's being able to work together with companies like them to where we can kind of rely on each other.